How often do you consider the role of health and nutrition in your daily life? It's no secret that maintaining a healthy lifestyle is pivotal for our overall well-being. A key element of this is nutrition, the fuel that keeps us going. Including nutrient-dense foods in our diet like fruits and vegetables plays a crucial role. But let's not forget about supplements such as collagen, which supports our skin and joints, and fiber for a healthy gut. One simple and tasty way to incorporate all these nutrients into your daily routine is by making a delicious acai berry smoothie with collagen and fiber. Now let's dive into the recipe to make this healthy and tasty smoothie. First off, gather your ingredients. You're going to need some frozen acai berries, a ripe banana, collagen powder, chia seeds for added fiber, almond milk, and a touch of honey. Let's get started. Take a cup of frozen acai berries. These little gems are not just delicious, they're packed full of antioxidants too. Alongside the berries, toss in a ripe banana. This will give your smoothie a creamy texture and a natural sweetness. Next, add a scoop of collagen powder. This is a fantastic addition for those looking to boost their skin health. To up the fiber content, throw in a tablespoon of chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients and fiber. Now pour in a cup of almond milk. This will give your smoothie that beautiful, creamy consistency. And to finish off, add a tablespoon of honey. This natural sweetener will balance out the tartness of the acai berries beautifully. Now it's time to blend. Let the blender do its magic until everything is combined into a smooth, luscious drink. Once done, pour your smoothie into a glass. It's best enjoyed immediately so you can savor the freshness of the ingredients and the chill from the frozen berries. And there you have it. Your very own acai berry smoothie with collagen and fiber is ready to enjoy. So, why should you include this smoothie in your diet? Each ingredient packs a powerful health punch. Acai berries, the star of our smoothie, are a powerhouse of antioxidants. These tiny purple fruits help to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Bananas, on the other hand, are not just a sweet addition, but they also provide a quick energy boost and are a great source of potassium, an essential mineral for heart health. Now let's talk about collagen. This protein is a building block for our skin, helping it to remain firm and youthful. Chia seeds, these tiny seeds, are a rich source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, promoting digestive health and reducing inflammation. Almond milk gives us a dose of plant-based protein, supporting muscle health. And lastly, honey offers antimicrobial properties, helping to fight off infections. Incorporating this acai berry smoothie with collagen and fiber into your diet is an easy and tasty way to boost your daily nutrient intake. So, what are you waiting for? Give it a try.